हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कबीर हर्ष। देखिए, टॉपिक हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं सेक्शन 303 ऑफ आईपीसी। 303 कहता है पनिशमेंट ऑफ मर्डर बाय लाइफ कन्विक्ट whoever being under sentence of imprisonment for life commits murder shall be punished with death। ओके, तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वैलिडिटी इसकी क्या है? सेक्शन 303 इज अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एंड मस्ट बी स्ट्रक डाउन। मित्तू वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब 1983 का ये केस लॉ है। सेक्शन 304 क्या कहता है? पनिशमेंट फॉर कल्पेबल होमिसाइड नॉट अमाउंटिंग टू मर्डर। whoever commits culpable homicide not amounting to murder shall be punished with imprisonment for life or imprisonment for either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine if the act by which the death is caused is done with the intention of causing death or of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, or with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years, or with fine, or with both. If the act is done with the knowledge that it is likely to cause death, but without any intention to cause death or to cause such bodily injury as is likely to cause death। उसके बाद सेक्शन 304B एंड 306 रिलेटिव स्कोप इसके देख लेते हैं। एन अननेचुरल डाउरी डेथ वेदर होमोसाइडल और सुसाइडल would attract section 304B. It would mean death not in the normal course में डेथ नहीं है। section 306 is much broader in its application and takes within its fold one aspect of section 304B. These two sections are not mutually exclusive. If a conviction for causing suicide is based on section 304B, it will necessarily attract section 306. However, the converse is not true. भूपेंद्र वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ एमपी 2014 का केस लॉ है। फिर उसके बाद अपन बात कर लेते हैं सेक्शन 304A causing death by negligence। whoever causes the death of any person by doing any rash or negligent act not amounting to culpable homicide shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine or with both। स्टेट अमेंडमेंट है हिमाचल प्रदेश का, कोई जरूरत नहीं है पढ़ने की। सेक्शन 304B जो है वो है डाउरी डेथ। इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन है, क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। सबसेक्शन 1 where the death of a woman is caused by any burn or bodily injury or occurs whether otherwise than under normal circumstances within 7 years of her marriage, and it is shown that soon before her death she was subjected to cruelty or harassment. What before her death? By her husband or any relative of her husband for or in connection with any demand for dowry, such death shall be called dowry death, and such husband or relative shall be deemed to have caused her death। Explanation क्या कहता है? For the purpose of this subsection, dowry shall have the same meaning as in section 2 of Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. Subsection 2, whoever commits dowry death shall be punished with imprisonment for term which shall not be less than 7 years, but which may extend to imprisonment for life। अब dowry की meaning क्या है? It should be any property or valuable security given or agreed to be given in connection with the marriage. Customary gifts or payment in connection with birth of child or other ceremonies unrelated to marriage ceremony held to do not fall within the ambit of dowry. सतवीर सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब 2001 का केस लॉ है. Ingredients of the essential component of section 304B are: पहला, death of a woman occurring otherwise than under normal circumstances within 7 years of marriage. दूसरा, soon before her death she should have been subject to cruelty or harassment in connection with any demand for dowry. When the above ingredients are fulfilled, the husband or his relative who subjected her to such cruelty or harassment can be presumed to be guilty of offence under section 304B. Same Satveer Singh versus State of Punjab 2001 and Shanti versus State of Haryana 1991, Kansraj versus State of Punjab 2000. Soon before her death, the expression indicates that there must be a perceptible nexus between the infliction of dowry related harassment and cruelty on the woman and death. Satveer Singh versus State of Punjab 2001. Dowry death. Dowry caused otherwise than under normal circumstances, meaning the expression otherwise than under normal circumstances would mean death, not in the usual course but apparently under suspicious circumstances, if not caused by burns or bodily injury. Kansraj versus State of Punjab 2000. What shown and deemed: interpretation of shown should be read as proved and deemed should be read as presumed. Initial burn is on prosecution to prove by preponderance of probabilities the ingredients of section 304B. शेर सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ हरियाणा. अब हम बात करेंगे सेक्शन 305 का, अबेटमेंट ऑफ सुसाइड ऑफ चाइल्ड और इंसेन पर्सन. if any person under 18 years of age, any insane person, any delirious person, any idiot, or any person in a state of intoxication commits suicide, whoever abates the commission of such suicide shall be punished with death or imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Subsection 306, abatement of suicide. If any person commits suicide, whoever abates the commission of such suicide shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Essential ingredients क्या है? The basic ingredients of section 306 IPC are suicidal death and abatement thereof. To constitute abatement, intentions and involvement of accused to aid or instigate commission of suicide is imperative. Any severance or absence of any of these constituents would militate against said indictment. Gurcharan Singh versus State of Punjab 2017. Abatement. What constitute? To constitute abatement, there must be course of conduct or action of intentionally aiding or facilitating another person to end life. Common Cause versus Union of India 2018. Abatement of suicide. M. Arjunan versus State 2019. Abatement of suicide and cruelty. Jagdish Raj Khatta versus State of HP 2019. Section 306 and 498A. Section 498A and 306 are independent and constitute different offences. Merely because accused is found guilty under section 498A, he should not necessarily be held to be guilty under section 306 on the basis of the same evidence. Ramesh Kumar versus State of Chhattisgarh 2001. Instigation to commit suicide, a word uttered in the fit of anger or emotions without intending the consequences to actually follow, cannot be said to be instigation. To draw the interference of investigation, it all depends on facts and circumstances of the case. State of West Bengal versus Indrajit Kundu 2019. Section 309 क्या कहता है? Attempt to commit suicide. Whoever attempts to commit suicide and does any act towards the commission of such offense shall be punished with simple imprisonment for term which may extend to 1 year or fine or both. Note: effect of section 309 read down with section 115 mental health care 2017. 115 क्या कहता है? Presumption of severe stress in case of attempt to commit suicide. Subsection 1, notwithstanding anything contained in section 309 of the Penal Code, any person who attempts to commit suicide shall be presumed, unless proved otherwise, to have severe stress and shall not be tried and punished under the said code. Subsection 2 क्या कहता है? The appropriate government shall have a duty to provide care, treatment and rehabilitation to a person having severe stress and who attempted to commit suicide, to reduce the risk of recurrence of attempt to commit suicide. Section 319 is hurt. Whoever causes bodily pain, disease or infirmity to any person is said to cause hurt. Section 320, important section, grievous hurt. The following kind of hurt only are designated as grievous. First, emasculation. Secondly, permanent privation of the sight of either eye, permanent privation of the hearing of either ear, privation of any member or joint, destruction or permanent impairing of the powers of any person or joint, permanent disfiguration of head or face. Seventhly, a fracture or dislocation of a bone or tooth. Eighth, any hurt which endanger life or which causes the sufferer to be during the space of 20 days in severe bodily pain or unable to follow ordinary pursuit. Voluntary causing grievous hurt by dangerous weapon or means. Whoever, except in the case provided by subsection 335, voluntary causes grievous hurt by means of any instrument for shooting, stabbing or cutting, or any instrument which used as a weapon of offense is likely to cause death, or by means of fire or any heated substance, or by means of any poison or any corrosive substance, or by means of any explosive substance, or by means of any substance which it is deleterious to the human body to inhale, to swallow, or to receive into the blood, or by means of any animal, shall be punished with imprisonment for life, or with the imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years, and shall also be liable to fine. Sentence for causing grievous hurt. Sentence for causing grievous hurt must be adequate brutally of the crime should also be considered. समर सिंह वर्सेस सूरज भान सिंह 2014 का केस लॉ है ये.